Hi, Lonnie Palladino, Alignment and Movement Specialist. Today I'd like to show you a hip stretch, but along with the hip stretch, I want to show you a little tractioning out of the hip to allow some space before going into that hip stretch. Lie onto your back, both knees bent. The first step is just to cross the foot over the knee. Then with your hand, push gently at the crease of your hip and leg joint and open that knee to where it's comfortable. Allow an openness to come through this hip to add some traction here. Nice opening. Breathe there. The next step to get the hip muscles stretched would be to go in the figure 4 stretch. Pull in the stomach first, always to support your back. Lift off the bottom leg, both feet flexed, and hold behind the thigh. To increase the stretch, you can bend your elbow, brace it on the top leg here, or you keep your opposite hand behind the thigh, bring the elbow down, and push open with that knee. Taking nice deep breaths, relaxing in the shoulders. And when it's time to come out of the stretch for you, soften the muscles. Hug both knees in to square your hips off. And then put the opposite leg down, go into the other side.